Welcome to Average Joe's Gym's Home Projects, where we do projects and maintenance at home that even an average Joe can accomplish. In today's episode, we're going to replace this bathroom exhaust fan in my master bathroom. It's not a very difficult project, and most people can do it on their own. Let's do it. Alright, first thing, let me show you guys what I've been dealing with. I mean, that's horrible. The thing sounds like it's going to shake right out of my ceiling. This is a NuTone brand exhaust fan. It's the only one of its kind in my house, as a matter of fact. Not all of them are the same. But this cover is held on by a couple of clips that are just spring-loaded and pretty easy to just pinch and unhook. I wanted to turn it on for you guys one more time so you could see exactly what's going on here. It's the wheel up in there that it's gotten loose and wore out, and the compression washer there is just not holding it tight anymore. So this next part was a pleasant surprise. The only thing holding that thing up there are these 3 screws that I'm going to point out to you right there. Should be easy to bring the whole thing down. It shouldn't fall on your head when you get the screws out of there, just because it's plugged in. The motor actually plugs into the rest of the fan mount there, and should just hang by the cord until you unplug it. So this is going so well at this point that I'm starting to get a lot of confidence in my fix here. So the fan motor and the fan are actually held in by just 3 screws on the top there. You just remove them and the whole thing comes off. Little heads up though, it's pretty gross in there. I mean, you're just kind of using it to exhaust steam and stuff, but it can get pretty gross. That went so easy that my confidence got a little too high. I was like, maybe if I just tighten that washer, I won't have to buy or switch out the motor or anything. Yeah, it was an absolute waste of time. That thing's wore out. And you should just buy a whole new motor right here on Amazon. Amazon affiliate links are in the description. Here's the old motor. I put the new one in the exact same way I removed that one, just the 3 screw holes, not forgetting to take the ground wire there and screw it in on the new one. This one is all done and complete. I'm putting it back in the box that the new one came in, and it's going to the round file. So I blocked the entire view of the camera when I put the fan back up there, but I'm going to leave in this part where I just screw in those 3 screws into the frame, and we're ready to go. Here it is running, nice and smooth. So here it is, a new bathroom exhaust motor, easy switch out. If you enjoyed this project, please check out our other projects on Average Joe's Gym's Home Project. And please like and subscribe for future projects.